When it comes to setting the standard for luxury sedans, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class has always been in a league of its own. And for 2026, Mercedes is taking that benchmark even higher, with a bold refresh that blends high-end craftsmanship, intelligent tech, and timeless style into one seamless flagship experience. Before we dive into everything new, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and tell us in the comments, is the S-Class still the king of the luxury sedan world? From the outside, the 2026 S-Class gets a refined evolution rather than a revolution. The front fascia now features a more sculpted grille that dips lower into the bumper, flanked by redesigned LED headlights with lighting signatures inspired by the iconic three-point star. Subtle changes to the rear include slimmer taillights with dynamic animation and a new bumper that enhances the car's stately stance. It's sleek, understated, and unmistakably S-Class. But the real magic happens inside. The 2026 model continues to push forward with a fully digital cockpit, featuring expansive OLED displays for both the instrument panel and the central infotainment screen. However, Mercedes is responding to driver feedback. Expect the return of some physical buttons for core functions, offering that perfect balance of digital innovation and tactile control. Materials are elevated even further with new interior trim options, ambient lighting enhancements, and next-gen seat massage programs that redefine what first-class comfort feels like. Under the hood, the powertrains stay familiar, but sharper. The lineup includes updated inline-6 and V8 engines with 48V mild hybrid support, offering more seamless acceleration and improved efficiency. And yes, the legendary V12 engine remains available for those who want nothing short of the absolute best. A plug-in hybrid variant is also expected, boasting more electric-only range and optimized fuel economy, without compromising on performance. Tech takes another leap forward, with even more advanced driver assistance systems. The 2026 S-Class is expected to support Level 3 autonomous driving in specific conditions, allowing hands-free operation during certain highway scenarios. Add to that the latest version of Mercedes MBUX interface, 3D augmented reality navigation, and biometric authentication, and you're looking at one of the smartest cars on the road. Official pricing is still under wraps, but it's safe to say the new S-Class will remain at the top of the premium luxury segment, with starting prices likely around $115,000 and rising well into six figures depending on trim and configuration. Deliveries are expected to begin in early 2026. So, what do you think? Does the 2026 S-Class still represent the gold standard of luxury sedans? Would you take it over a 7 Series or an Audi A8? Let us know in the comments. And if you're into high-end innovation, world-class engineering, and everything that defines automotive excellence, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We've got more reviews and first looks coming your way. See you in the next one.